Okay, next thing I got going on is I have these kick panels and heater grommets. So when I look here in the back, these are the heaters right there, and I've put epoxy in order to set up this camera on the mini tripod here. Oops. Okay, so basically, I don't know if it's possible to see, but this needs to go over that. And in order to do that, I'm gonna have to cut something right here on these. So I'm gonna cut a little wedge out of that using my scissors here. And I hate to do it, but just the way that I've done that, there's no other way. So this is going to get a little wedge snipped out of it, something like this, and this has got to fit where that little heater cable comes through. Do this on the one side and let's see how it works, and then try to repeat on the other side. So that's a little wedge area, and if I look here, it's got to fit over this. Honestly, I feel that it almost really needs to be gouged out of there with a razor even. So I'll try to do that and I'll get back. All right, so I've got the two holes made here, and then because of the way I did my heater cables, each of these has a cutaway on the underside because that's where the cable, so it's gonna go like this. The cable comes across and into there, and I think that won't really impact the seal. I did the same on this one, and basically the way that has to go is face towards the long side of this, and I'm hoping that I can just take out that bench and clamp these into place. So let's try that. Okay, so what I've done here is I have the kick panels in there. They kind of fit okay if you look down there, and basically they're kind of clamped to where the carpet is. So, clamps down there pretty good. And then when I tighten down this little seat bar, it kind of clamps it into the fabric of the carpet underneath. And this one seems like it's jutting forward just a little bit. This one looks like it's actually pretty well situated. So, overall I think that's fine. The only thing that I was going to do is actually wrap my heater tubes with either some insulation or a little bit of jute or something like that, because there's some little spiky things that hold the insulation. So that's the only thing I haven't done. But other than that, those are my kick panels with the heater grommets. These little plastic guys here that go over the seat belts are kind of cheap, and they don't seem to really clamp into place very well. So it's quite possible that these will wind up just being cut off because of being junk. I don't know what other people do on that, but all right. So there's the Bluetooth thing, and there's the kick panels.